If you have arthritis, you know just how painful and debilitating the condition can be. Arthritis affects the joints, causing pain and swelling. Some types of arthritis can even cause long-term damage to bones and cartilage, while there is no cure for arthritis. There are strategies you can use to ease your pain. One of them is visiting a pain management doctor. These specialists can provide you with medications and other treatments that can help reduce your pain. Another approach is to use natural remedies, such as ginger, to manage your arthritis symptoms. Watch this video to understand the benefits of ginger for arthritis and how to use it. How can ginger help people with arthritis? Ginger is an aromatic spice, but people also use it in traditional and modern medicines. It has anti-inflammatory properties that may help manage the inflammation and pain of arthritis. Ginger is a flowering plant native to several Asian countries, West Africa, and the Caribbean. It is related to cardamom and turmeric. People have used it in traditional Asian medicine for centuries. Ginger contains nutrients such as manganese, copper, magnesium, and vitamin B6, essential for healthy joint function. Recent studies have also suggested ginger can help reduce the production of inflammatory prostaglandins, hormones that cause pain in people with arthritis. How does ginger work? Ginger may help prevent and manage arthritis due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. There are more than 1,300 types of ginger plant, and they contain a wide range of nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, the minerals magnesium, potassium, and copper, gingerols, shagalls, pyridols, and other phytonutrients and polyphenols. Gingerol, shagall, and pyridols all have antioxidant properties, and gingerol and pyridols are also anti-inflammatory. Antioxidants help the body get rid of free radicals, which can lead to cell damage and inflammation. Ways to incorporate ginger into your routine. Anyone interested in using ginger for health reasons should consult a healthcare professional first. This is important in preventing possible interactions between ginger and any medications. Here are some ways to incorporate ginger into your routine if you're arthritis. 1. Adding ginger root or powdered ginger to sweet or savory dishes. 2. Drinking ginger tea is a great way to reap the benefits of ginger daily. Simmer fresh. Peel ginger in water for 10 minutes and enjoy your drink. 3. Adding ginger to your meals can help reduce inflammation and joint pain. Try adding it to salads, stews, soups, or stir-fries with other anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric and garlic. 4. Infused oils are another way to get the benefits of ginger into your diet. You can add some fresh ginger slices to olive oil and let it sit for a few days before using. 5. Try massaging your joints with ginger oil or lotion to help reduce inflammation and joint pain. 6. Lastly, taking it in capsules.